I have some great news. The Keto Diet has just gotten even sweeter. Many of our keto friends have told us that sprinkling powdered BochaSweet on top of our Bochabars is now their favorite way to enjoy our keto-friendly protein bar. So I tried it, and I agree, powdered BochaSweet gives the Bochabars a sweet kick. I'd say it's a thing. So we want to go ahead and offer you a free sample of our new powdered BochaSweet sugar replacement to sprinkle on top of your Bochabars. This makes for a decadent, low-carb dessert whenever your sweet tooth kicks in. And best of all, absolutely guilt-free. Our Bochabars come in two delicious flavors, chocolate peanut butter and vanilla almond crunch. So what makes these bars stand out from the other bars out there? The taste. Bochabars are sweetened with our 0 calorie and 0 glycemic 100% Kabocha extract for an indulgent taste without any of the bitter. These delicious keto-friendly bars provide your body with pure cell energy without the glucose spikes. With the highest quality ingredients, we wanted to make sure you are getting the best nutrition in every bite. These bars are gluten-free, GMO-free, and contain no artificial flavors. You are going to love our new offer. Your Bochabar fun has been taken to an all-new level. So grab your box of Bochabars at BochaSweet.com and start living life on the sweet side.